Okay, so right now we'll be focusing on the equations of the circle centered at the origin. So let's draw a Cartesian plane so that we can start explaining it to each other about it. Yeah, I'm trying to draw the nicest, the most beautiful Cartesian plane ever. Okay, so let's label our axis. This is y-axis, and this is our x-axis, and right here will be my center. I'll try to draw as 0. Okay, there. So it sees that we are focusing on the equation of the circle if it's centered at the origin. So we have to draw a circle which is centered at the origin. Okay, so to find the equation, we say that if P is any point on the circle with the radius r, so I'll name this my P, which will be xy, with the radius r. Then what do we say? Then to find the equation of the circle, we say that r is equal to the root of x. Let me draw a bigger bracket because like yes, yeah, x minus 0 all squared plus y inside a bracket, yeah, minus 0 all squared gives us what? It gives us the general equation. Gives us the general equation of the circle, which is centered at the origin, which is equal to r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared y squared, yeah, plus y squared. So now that we are done with this, let's go to the one which is not centered at the origin. Underline so that we can move on. So now we are going to the one which is not centered at the origin. Forget it's not centered at the origin, so let's draw a Cartesian plane. Our Cartesian plane will be this one. Don't ever forget to name your axis, it's always important. And always show your center. I don't know, it's, yeah, so this one is not centered at the origin, so let's just try circle randomly. Yeah, let's put ours here, then let's put its centers. Yeah, it's here. So now to find the equation of the circle which is not centered at the origin, we say if you move the center of the circle to any point on the Cartesian plane, So we say that our point will be this one, so will be AB. This is the center. So let's mark our radius. This will be our radius. Show it. So radius. Then we say, to find our equation, we say that x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to our radius squared, and r is equal to the root of x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared. There. So for you, when you get to work at this one which is not centered at the origin, you have to remember your completing the square, how to complete the square, because you will need that when you're solving this one. Thanks for watching, and you can check out the examples on how to work out the problems on circle geometry. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day, images.